My name is Om Pandey, and I have completed my order execution engine for Solana DEX trading. Basically, it processes the market orders with real-time WebSocket updates and intelligent DX routing between Raydium and Meteora. Okay, so this is my readme.md file. So you can see all of the steps that I have gone through. It tells you about all of the tech stack which I have used and all of the procedures which I have followed. It also tells you how you can clone this repository in your local system and then test it out. I've currently hosted this on Render, and I am publicly hosting it, so you can. I'll share the link so you can just access it from there. Currently, I'll be showing you the functioning of this on my local machine. So, first of all, let me show you by creating an order, market order. So, okay, so as you can see, currently my server is running. Okay, so I'll just show you. I'll run it again. Yeah, so I've started my server. Let's hop on to the Postman to create a new market order. Okay, so let's create a Solana. The base token. Let's take the base token as Solana. The core token is USDC. The side which we'll be choosing is sell, and then let's say the amount is 16.0. Okay. Yeah. So I'm also opening my WebSocket here. So I've currently connected it with my uh, with the local host so that we can watch the order in real time. Yeah. So basically, we'll be able to seeing the correct real time statuses like pending, routing, and building, or whatever the statuses of order an order. So it is some previous order which I was searching. It is the order ID. So I'll be removing it. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be generating an order. I'll be getting a post request, and then the order ID which would be generated here, I'll be putting this ID onto the local host WebSocket. Once I put it, we'll be able to see the complete life cycle of that order. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. So we have a new ID. Let's quickly copy and paste it here, and let's connect it. Yeah. So what we have here is initially our connection status, and then it was pending at the initial stage, then it was at the routing, then building, then submitted, then confirmed. So that means our order is confirmed. Initially it was pending, it contains our order details, then routing, it is searching for to execute our order, then building, it started building an order, the price is this, the fees is 0.002. uh, then the order was submitted with minimum acceptable price at 99.037. So I'm getting these values from the mock data which I have initially put in. I have stubbed those data. Yeah, so our order is confirmed. Okay, so let us check this on VS Code. So as we can see that at this point of time I had started my server, and then I had created I had made a request for an order, and then I have selected like the emit stages represent all of the stages which my order is going through, and at this point of time we started our WebSocket, and then here our order job is completed. So as we can see, the this order ID generated a new order ID generated every time when I create a new order. So let us check if this new order ID is actually present in our database. So we have this command. So yeah, docker exec it. Just a second. Yeah. So what this command does is it selects ID status and selected index executed price created at from orders order by created at descending limit at 15. So it will be showing us the recent 15 orders. Okay, so let's see it. So the most recent order was of has the order ID 491-898D24. So it is the same order which we made it now, and the status is confirmed. The index is Meteora and the executed price is this. So let us check this with one more order which we can create it. I'll just come here. I'll just make, I'll just change the amount to 17.0. Just make a post request. I'll copy this ID. I'll put it here. I'll disconnect my initial WebSocket with, then connect this with this ID. So as you can see, the status is confirmed. Now we can hop onto our VS Code and see what's going on. So we can see the order job is completed. It is order job number 44. If we now search for top 15 of the records, we can see that our current record is already here. Yeah. All right. So as you can see, the time at which we are submitting it, it is exactly what like the current time it is showing system time. Okay, so I'll be doing some 3 to 5 more post requests and I'll show you how the data gets updated. So I'll make continuous requests now. Like let's say I'll change this to by this time, by, and I'll change this to 11. Okay, and then the slippage would be, let's say, 102. Now let's make some frequent requests. So okay, okay, all right. So first of all, let's see our browser. So currently, as we can see, the jobs are getting completed. They're be getting executed. Let's visit our this. Okay. So all the values are stubbed now. The orders are getting executed one by one. So like it depends upon at what time I've initiated the order. They're executing in a like in a sort of queue. So currently we have job ID 52. Okay. Let's say what happens if we see top 50 orders. So if I am selecting top 50 of my orders, so these are all the orders. So these are some orders which I was during my testing, I was doing them. So they were stuck to the routing phase. After that, I was able to figure out my what I was doing it wrong here. So as you can see that these values are getting, the orders are getting executed. So we have only two, currently we are using two dexes, it is Meteora and Raydium, and it is getting selected based upon the values. So as you can see, these are just some random values. So these are my server logs, and